Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for ways to make money online without spending a dime, you are in the right place. Today we'll be diving into how to make money online without any investment. In this video, I'll be sharing some free methods for you to start using right now on how to make money from the comfort of your home. If you are ready to start making some extra cash, let's get right into it. First of all, we have online survey. This is one of the simplest way to make money online without any investment. Companies are always looking for customers' feedback and they are willing to pay for it. Here are a few popular survey sites you can sign up for. Number one is Swagbox. You earn points for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online, which you can redeem for gift card or cash. Number two is Survey Junkie. Sign up and share your opinion to earn points that can be converted into cash via PayPal. Again, for you to earn in this platform, to maximize your earning, try to complete surveys daily and join multiple sites for more opportunities. Next, let's talk about freelance work. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can find freelance gigs online without any upfront cost. Here are a few platforms where you can start. Fiverr. Create a profile and list your services starting at $5. Upworks. Bid on projects that match your skills and earn money by completing tasks for clients. We have Freelancer. Similar to Upworks, you can find a variety of jobs to apply for and earn based on your expertise. Again, to succeed in this freelancing, ensure your profile highlights your skills and start with competitive pricing to attract your first clients. Another great way to make money online is through content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram allow you to create and share content without any investment. Yes, YouTube, you can start a channel and create videos about topics you are passionate about. Once you gain enough subscribers and views, you can monetize your content through ads and sponsorship. On TikTok, you can create short and engaging videos, and once you build a following, you can join TikTok Creator Fund or partner with brands for sponsored content. Instagram. In this platform, you share photos and stories. As your following grows, brands may reach out for collaborations and you can sell your products to them. The key thing here is that consistency is the thing and engaging with your audience. You must be consistent and you must engage with your audience and find your niche and stick with it. Next is affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to make money online without any investment. You simply promote products or services and earn commission for every successful sales you make using your affiliate link. This is how to get started. Number one, you choose a niche. Focus on a specific area that interests you. It could be health niche, it could be tech or fashion. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Expert near Sellers Take Called M. Most of them are free for you to sign up. Promote the product. Share your affiliate link through social media, blogs, and YouTube. For you to become a successful affiliate, you need to create honest review and recommendations to build trust with your audience. And for you to get started, I have a link in my description of this video how you can start your affiliate marketing business. Another method is print on demand. This is a great way to sell custom designed products without upfront cost. You create designs, and when someone orders, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party provider. Platforms like Redbubble, Teesprings, and Printful allow you to create and sell items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases without any inventory costs. You simply upload your designs and promote them. Each sale generates a profit for you, and there is no need for upfront investments. You can consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses are looking for remote help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, or customer support. To get started, you can join platforms like Billy or Time, where you can find virtual assistant job. Network on social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with entrepreneurs who may need assistance. This is a very flexible way to earn money, and you can choose the tasks that suit your skills. Okay guys, before we round up, here are few quick tips that you can help you to make more money online without investment. Number one is that you stay consistent. Whichever method you choose, consistent is the key. Leverage on social media. That is second point. Use social media to promote your work and expand your reach. Then number three is that you keep learning. Stay updated on the new trend and methods to enhance your skill and increase your learning. So apply these three things. As I said before, keep learning, leverage on social media, and also stay consistent. So guys, that is it. These are some fantastic ways you can make money online in 2024 and in 2025 that is coming. For online survey to affiliate marketing and content creation, there are plenty of opportunity out there waiting for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to earn money online. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out any updates. If you have any question or you want to share your experience, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.